Hey everyone, this is Ankita Mallick here, back again with another video, and today I'm going to recreate a makeup look that was created by one of my favorite beauty influencers, and she is none other than Kaushal Beauty. I love her so much, and the day I saw her video on creating this makeup look, I was so in love with this eye look and wanted to recreate this. So here I am. Now for this eye makeup, I'm going to use this two eyeshadow palette from Nykaa makeup. I have already done my foundation base, so now without any further delay, let's jump into creating this eye look. I'm taking this Nykaa birthday cake shadow palette first, and I'm picking up this shade with a small flat eyeshadow brush and applying it starting from the inner corners of my eyes. I'm also going to leave the link of a video where she created this makeup look, so you can check that out as well. It will be in the description box below. Next, I am taking the Nykaa eye palette in Ocean Eyes, and I'm picking up this shade right here and packing it gently on the center of my eyelid. The palettes I'm using contains different colorful shades, and such shades doesn't show up easily when applied, so instead of blending it, I'm gently packing in the shades on my eyelids for it to show up, which will also lead to no fallouts on my under eyes as well. Next, I'm going back to the birthday cake eye palette again and picking up these two shades with a slightly bigger flat brush and packing it on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm gently blending out the edges, being very careful not to lose the pigmentation of the shades. Taking a pencil brush, I'm gently blending out the edges to make it look well blended, and also flicking it out on the outer corner to give it a winged finish. Now for the lashes, I'm taking the Rimmel London Volume Flash Scandalize Waterproof Mascara and applying it on my lashes. Now for the lips, I am taking the Nykaa So Matte Mini Lipstick in the shade 47M and applying it on my lips. I have also put on some falsies from the Nykaa Lash Dog False Lashes, and this is the final look. Hope you liked this video and hope I was able to recreate this makeup look, though I still couldn't match this beauty, but I tried and I'm so happy that I tried. And that was it for today. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you in my next. Bye.